Hey folks, Chris here again, stripping small gauge wire. I guess I'm just a glutton for punishment. Uh, Only reason I'm doing this one is because I get vacuum cleaners and other small appliances all the time, and they all have power cords. So in this case, it's an 18.2. It's probably 10, 12 foot long. And as you can see, without even doing anything but clipping the cord off the vacuum, I made 44 cents. And number 2 insulated wire. Now again, I'm going to torture myself for the next 12 minutes. This is an 8 times speed, by the way. So we're going to see what we get out of this after 12 long minutes of listening to music and stripping this crap. And right out of the jacket, the stuff had some nasty fabric in it. It was pretty tough. It was all intertwined between the 2 wires. So it took a little extra time separating the 2 wires. Any case, there's a little bit more of this video left, and I'm going to torture you and make you watch it before I give you the final number. You be the judge on if copper is that important to you. Hey, comment below, negative or positive. I'm a big boy, I can take it. And hey, subscribe if you want. Don't if you don't want to. I don't really care. I'm not doing this for fortune and fame, subscriptions, all of this. I just like sharing good, accurate information, and I like receiving the same. So again, hope you enjoy it. Hope you took something out of it. And like always, I'm ending with a quick disclaimer.
I'm going to keep this short and keep you YouTuber police off my back with a few disclaimers. Number 1, scrap value is always the lowest price for an item, just above garbage. So if you bring something home that works or has working parts, consider selling it on Craigslist, eBay. That's actually how I make a lot of money. Number 2, scrap prices change with the stock market. Good rule of thumb, like I stated, but not fact. When oil prices are high, usually scrap prices go up, and then vice versa. For the purpose of this video, I just stated the prices from the last trip I made, so they're not going to be your prices. So I'm just using these as comparisons for the video. Number 3, come on, use common sense. We're working with metals. They're sharp. They have sharp edges. Wear gloves, protective eye gear. Do what you need to do to keep yourself from going to the hospital and cutting to any profit you might make.